Hey, have you been thinking of buying a new laptop?
Yes, I have. But I'm not sure which one to get.
Well, did you know that it's essential to buy a laptop with official warranty?
Really? Why is that important?
Having a warranty means that the manufacturer will cover the cost of any repairs or replacements if something goes wrong with your laptop within a specific period.
That sounds like a good deal. Which laptop brands offer official warranty?
Most major brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, and Apple offer official warranty on their laptops. It's important to check the warranty period and terms and conditions before making a purchase.
That's good to know. How long does the warranty usually last?
It varies from brand to brand, but most laptops come with a 1-year warranty. Some brands offer extended warranties for an additional fee.
I see. It's definitely worth considering when buying a new laptop.
Absolutely. It gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if something goes wrong with your laptop.
Thanks for the information. I'll make sure to check the warranty before making a purchase.